Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sachin Pawar, and as you all know, here we are doing 10th class chemistry. Students, in last two lectures, we have done the important questions for board exams of chapter acid, bases, and salts. So today again we are going to continue from those important questions for board exams. Okay, so let's start. So students, here is the next question. Explain why is hydrochloric acid a strong acid and acetic acid a weak acid? How can it be verified? So very easy question, आपको समझ आ गया होगा. Next is explain why aqueous solution of an acid conducts electricity. ये भी हम पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. Next है C. You have four solutions A, B, C and D. The pH of solution A is 6, B is 9, C is 12 and D is 7. So you have to identify the most acidic and most basic solutions respectively and arrange the above four solutions in the increasing order of H positive ion concentration and state the change in color of pH paper on dipping in solution C and D. Okay, so please all of you read question once again so that it could be very clear to you. So let's start with the solution. So as we all know that hydrochloric acid is a strong acid and acetic acid is a weak acid. So how can we prove it? Hydrochloric acid is strong acid because it is completely ionized in its aqueous solution. As we know, the definition of strong acid is that strong acids completely ionize in its aqueous solution, whereas acetic acid is a weak acid and it will only partially ionize. So this is the reason that HCl is a strong acid and acetic acid is a weak acid. Here HCl reacts with magnesium vigorously, whereas acetic acid reacts less vigorously. It means that HCl will react more fast with the metals, whereas acetic acid will react very less speed. So that's why we can say that HCl is a strong acid. Okay. Next question is explain why aqueous solution of an acid conducts electricity. So here is the answer. Aqueous solution of acid contains ions, okay, which carry the current. So if, as we have already discussed, that if we have distilled water, then it will not conduct the electricity because it doesn't have any impurities or any ions. So aqueous solution of acid will contain ions, that's why it conducts electricity. क्योंकि क्या होता है, aqueous solution में ions होते हैं और वो ions की वजह से ही क्या होती है, electricity conduct होती है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट हमें कुछ pH वैल्यूज दी गई हैं और हमसे पूछा गया है कौन सा इसमें से एसिडिक है कौन सा बेसिक है. सो हमें सभी को पता है कि अप टू 7 और लेस देन 7 क्या होते हैं, pH वैल्यू अगर लेस देन 7 है तो वो एसिड होता है और pH वैल्यू मोर देन 7 और लेस देन 14 है तो वो बेस होता है. ठीक है. सो एज वी ऑल नो, सो हियर वी हैव the four values 6, 9, 12 and 7. So the acidic will be 6 and base will be 9, 12. Okay, and D whose pH value is 7 will be neutral. Okay, so here we have given the answer that with pH value 6 A is most acidic and pH value C which is 12 is most basic. So here is the increasing order of H positive ion concentration. A have the most H positive ion concentration as it is an acid. Okay, and pH paper will turn litmus blue C with the pH 12 and basic pH paper will turn green in D with pH equals to 7. Okay, so here is the basic answer. Let's move towards the next question. Students, here is the next question. A metal compound X reacts with dilute H2SO4 to produce effervescence. The gas involved extinguishes a burning candle if one of the compound formed is calcium sulfate. Okay, here is the key point of the question. Let's read out the question once again. A metal X reacts with dilute H2SO4 okay, and it will produce calcium sulfate. Okay, so calcium sulfate after reacting with H2SO4. So here is the key point so that we can find the element X. Okay, let's read out the question. Then what is X and the gas evolved? Okay, so as we read here that the gas evolved extinguishes a burning candle. Okay, so as we all know that carbon dioxide is used to extinguish any fire. Okay, also write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction which has occurred. Okay, we will write it. Next is name one antacid. Okay, how does it help to relieve indigestion in stomach? No problem. Next is a farmer treats the soil with quicklime or calcium carbonate. What is the nature of the soil and why does farmer treat the soil with quicklime? Okay, very interesting and very important question for your board exam. Let's see the reaction. As we all know that in the question we have given that the compound is reacting with H2SO4. Okay, and what it is forming? It is forming CaSO4. So from here we can find that the compound X will be CaCO3. Okay, and as we all know that it is given in the question that CO2 gas is evolving. So this is the required reaction for the answer. Okay, so here is the answer that the gas evolved is carbon dioxide. Okay, next question is baking soda is an antacid. As we all know, it is used as antacid if it neutralizes excess of HCl in stomach and gives relief. If anyone having the problem of acidity, then he can take the baking soda so that here it will neutralizes the effect of acid. Okay, next is the nature of soil is acidic. As we all know, the farmer treats the soil with quicklime to neutralize the acidity of the soil to make fit it for crops. Okay, so here is the answer, very simple answer. So let's read out the question once again so that everyone will understand this. A metal compound X reacts with dilute H2SO4 to produce effervescence. The gas evolved extinguishes a burning candle if one of the compound formed is calcium sulfate. So from here we can identify that the compound forms are calcium sulfate and CO2. So what will be the X? X will be CaCO3. Okay, so we can easily write the balanced chemical equation also. In next question he is asking name one antacid. So we have given the answer NaHCO3. Okay, and it will neutralize the effect of acid. So any person having the problem of acidity can get relief from it. Okay, next question is a farmer treats the soil with quicklime or कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. वो हमसे पूछ रहा है कि वो क्विकलाइम से ट्रीट करेगा या फिर कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट से. सो वी हैव गिवन द आंसर दैट the farmer will treat the soil with quicklime because the nature of soil is acidic. So quicklime is basic in nature, so it will neutralize the acidity of the soil and the soil will be fit for farming. Okay, so in this way we can understand the question before giving the answer, and let's think for 2 or 3 minutes. पहले 2-3 मिनट तक सोचना है कि क्या परफेक्ट आंसर होगा, उसी के बाद आंसर देना है. ठीक है, मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर आऊँगा कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस लेके. अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं बहुत, आप प्लीज़ रिवीजन करते रहें. आप प्लीज़ रिवीजन इन क्वेश्चंस को करने के बाद अगर आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम आती है, जैसे यहाँ पे पीएच वैल्यू आई थी, अगर आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो प्लीज़ आप प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स ज़रूर देखें. पहले अपना कॉपी में जो आपने नोट्स बनाए हुए हैं उन नोट्स का रिवीजन करें, तो आप यहाँ इन क्वेश्चंस का आंसर बहुत ईजिली कर सकते हैं. अगर आपने वो नहीं पढ़ा है, काफ़ी दिन हो गए लेक्चर करे हुए, अगर आपने नहीं करा है तो आप भूल गए होंगे, प्लीज़ उसका रिवीजन का आप कंटिन्यूसली करते रहें ताकि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. ठीक है, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे स्टूडेंट्स. थैंक यू.